In this video, I'll show you how to clean C drive Windows 11. This will be a quick and easy tutorial to help improve your PC's performance. Before we begin, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate your support. It's important to clean your C drive regularly to keep your system running smoothly and free up unnecessary storage space. Let's get started. Method 1. Use Disk Cleanup. First, click on the search box in your taskbar. Type Disk Cleanup, then click on it from the results. If prompted, select your C drive and click OK. A new window will appear showing different file categories such as temporary files, recycle bin, thumbnails, system cache files. Tick the boxes for the files you want to delete. At the bottom, you'll see how much space will be freed up. Next, click on Clean Up System Files for deeper cleaning. After it scans again, click OK, then select Delete Files to confirm. Method 2. Enable Storage Sense. Now, open Settings. Click on System from the left menu. Then click on Storage. Scroll down and find Storage Sense. Make sure Storage Sense is turned on. Storage Sense automatically deletes temporary files and manages unused cloud content, helping keep your C drive clean without manual effort. Method 3. Install large apps. While still in Settings, click on Apps from the left menu. Then click on Installed Apps. At the top, find the Sort By option and choose Size, largest to smallest. This will show the biggest apps first. Scroll through the list and uninstall apps or games you no longer use. For example, removing a large game could free up 20 gigabytes or more of storage space. To uninstall, click the three dots next to the app, select Uninstall, then confirm the action. And that's it. That's how you clean your C drive in Windows 11 and free up valuable storage space. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.